Alright guys, Peter here. Today it will be a little off-topic video. This video might help some people in Europe that are having problem with the heater fan doesn't working on the 244 Citroen jumpers or Peugeot Boxers and Fiat Ducatos. This is the model from 2002 to 2006, and I want to show you some tricks that might help you to diagnose your problem. I have already this thing disassembled, but I will tell you step by step how to diagnose your problem with your fan. First, you have to check your positions of the fan. If you turn the key on and you switch the fan to the first position, does it work or does it not? Does the second position and does the last position, the last fourth position work? That's the first question we have to address. The first problem with this machine could be here under the dash there is a blower motor. The plug for the blower motor can be burned out, and that might be your first issue. So if none of these speeds work, then first check the connection to the blower motor. If that's good, then lower the blower motor, take it out. It's just 3 screws on the bottom and it just comes right out. Test it with external source of 12 volts. If it does work, then we move back to this switch. If the fan is working on the first position, on the highest speed, then maybe this resistor here is bad. You can measure the resistors on these pins right here, and you check for continuity on those pins. If the resistor is good, then we move again to this switch. And my problem with this was that no of the positions worked, so I have to tear it down, and I discovered that this switch is no good, and as you can see, it's melted inside. So how to take apart this? First, you have to start with this piece that goes onto the top. It has 2 holes on the top here, and it has under the radio 2 screws here. So you take these 4 screws out, lift it up and take it out of the way. Then we have this center cover here. This center cover is held on by 2 screws on the top, which is located right here and here, and then it's located by 2 screws on the bottom. So just take them out, unplug these connectors here, and take the whole thing off. Then we have 4 screws, one right here, 3 and 4 right here, and then there is 3 screws through this front panel. You take them off. You just simply lift this thing out of the way like this, take this switch out, and you can measure it. Also, what can be bad is this plug. As you can see, we have a little brownish color right here, so that can be an issue too. So I hope you find this quick little video useful and it will solve your problems, because I was not sure how to dismantle this dash, and I forgot the screws under this radio cover. You have to take that radio cover out to get this one, to get these two screws on the top out, and that is a simple job from there. So I hope you will learn something from this. As I said, I didn't find any video on this subject on the YouTube, so it might help some people in the Europe with their problems. Thanks for watching, good luck, be safe out there, I'm out of here, bye. Once you have this connector unplugged, you can also test your resistor and your blower motor by jumping these connectors here with a jumper wire across from this left corner to the right. There is the first position, second, third, and the fourth position is in the right. So you can also check the functions of your system that way.